All right. So so this mosque, now all man they pray no so.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see this community gets a very beautiful mosque, and also you see say it gets a school. So this is a very big community because when we talk to the aid man, one of the things that we tell we is they say the community gets over 1,000 people. It means a very big community. And by the way, this now Mr. Bendu, na our tour guide, na in the can show we around the town. So logo. Who's I want to go right now? Who's I?
Donsu Street.
Okay. All right. Hello, now good day. How are you do? Yeah. Oh, this now for Pleacewood. Eh? Now you keep Pleacewood. Okay. My name is Jesse. Who come na this community? We'll just say it's guy for look around. Yeah. Not too bad though. How you do? Okay. All right. So as you can see, this community is very simple. This now ask basically for Pleacewood. They use it for Pleacewood. Very interesting, and also interesting for no say they get their small fall and they they send the band. This is a typical kind of African village who say people they live their normal life. Everything seems very simple and easy. Then get this school, but currently we don't go to the school, but the school currently the school lock. How they call this school?
Huntingdon.
Eh?
Huntingdon.
What's it?
Huntingdon.
Huntingdon Primary School. Okay. All right. So more go. They go. Hello, my Perry. No bad. How una say? How una dey do? You dey sell the mango? Eh? Hey, yep. But how possible eat raw mango now? Eh? Oh, so that was alone at the ticker so now. Me I be am buy but I repo if na be repo na for don buy. Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you. Now you dey sell them communities, eh? How much? 50,000 for this one. Okay. So you dey go na each village, you dey show people there. And people there they will say, pa. Oh, now go you want go so you know how I look?
No, looking.
Fine. So each one na 50,000. 50 leons. By price? Okay. But now the big one they are 50 leons. So if you want buy now, me and you go talk price. Fellow, come. You know want crepe? I want buy for you one. Okay, fine. So pick one where you like. So basically, this na so people then they sell, now then communities they are like basically like how you see this, somebody go carry them because not to everyday people then get chance for go na big town for go buy. So then go work out with them kind thing there, then go get them a basket or even medicine stuff now. So then they work out with them and then people then they buy. So this man now tour guide, so he need a new pair of shoe. So they get one for him. This is tight for you. Man, this one will twist it. Whatever I want. With this, no fine. You like her?
Tight.
It tight? Okay. Sure. Yeah. All right. So we don't get. All right. So we don't get one nice shoe for with tour guide, and I hope so. He go use that. All right. So fellow, you need to talk price. That price is last and last. 40. This one, the shoes almost one poil now. You say 40. Okay, yeah. Okay. Get on the other shoes now. Get on the one. Okay. All right. Yeah, logo. No, you will they tell you thank you because I don't come. They show you around, eh? So here we try for come visit one. More see if he will allow you for talk to her. Now you want help for cook so. Eh? So what I for do? I see you get fine stone now. Now what you do this stone? Yeah. Okay, yeah, now I can sharp then thing there. Then cutlass and whatever. I feel say una can green now una dey use that for green pepper. Where they do them pepper my own there with them so then I did green pepper fine they make her.
Yeah, no, the one they there.
Uh-huh.
Hold on there now. Make green baby.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm name
Mommy. Well, my name is Jesse, and today we just want to come around now Magbafia for see how this community dey and we try to talk to different people. You go on for talk to which and which you can do, Mommy. Yes. You the book stone. Hey, Masiba. So you knock your hand.
Yeah, I missed this thing.
Oh sure. But what you don't do with that hand now? How come on there the smoke?
Papa, na medicine normally.
The medicine. And I. It's so cute. He says, you know. Okay, need to feel well, eh? And it's come out. Okay. So, when you can do this stone work, how much money you can make super months?
You know what I mean? Yeah, I know they will, because the one I go do not to by months. I work inside 6 days. I want 8, 14 and 1 diner, but I not sell it.
Okay, so we work 6 days.
Where they don't measure and by the price,
yeah.
Because they charge you 15, now 13 last.
15 with 15,000
for 8 pounds. Yeah.
13 last.
Yes.
So then I mean that is
then the 8, 14 first, now 400 pound they flop.
400.
Yeah.
So that's
the diner. The diner na 300.
Okay.
And the flop.
So then if you then how much money that is in total?
Oh no, they don't check on the 3,000 on the 10,000 first na 7 million.
Okay.
We check a number the 3,000.
So 7 million for Randy Fisela.
Yes.
Okay. Now then you get this injury.
Mm-hmm.
Then I find money, not so bad money. Not
Yeah.
But the work is but now you want to do that on.
Let me one. Was.
Wow. That's a lot of money. and then if you come out back come.
Yes, no, I am Monday.
Okay, now
I don't know now I can come. Or go for go measure.
Okay, so you don't know for
yeah.
Back today.
No, na Monday I want go for there they go measure the do.
Okay, so when you get it, you go there.
Yes.
Then we come back now.
Yes.
Okay. So now that we done,
yeah.
you can call the man to make you go measure and
yeah.
see how they do. Can I say book the man they do or
no? My man a driver. Yeah,
yeah.
But he not get motor car it. Okay. But na motor okay be they do. But better no dey. Myself now see me left.
Okay. Alright. So how many people they get?
Me, I get 6 girls, 2 boys.
6 girls.
Two boy.
Two boy.
Yes.
So for Bookstone, not so easy work. And I really dey see say you this you and I dey pay you. You don't take medicine for her.
Papa, where money dey? Where money no dey na be no.
So right now you wait where you sell.
Yeah, what say now?
Bobby, wait you sell. Make sure say you sell for anybody. I
not sabi say dey
I will let people know. I will let people know about that. So you go call me.
Okay.
But I know say this you earn. What I do? I get small money. I don't get better money now, but I get small money. I want give you so that you go buy medicine.
Okay, Papa. Let God bless.
Yeah, I will give you
Not
small.
take treatment.
And also the people that would watch you so the one that would watch you so what you go want for better do for if somebody want for help you.
What I mean?
Yes.
If person want help me, I want left the stone oak because what person not get, I make it they go do tranga oak.
Okay.
But when you don't do now, I don't get I go do business.
So this don't work if it's somebody two one somebody say okay he want for help you want assist you. You want me left his stone oak. What how much money you want?
What I mean?
We go make it start so tell you start produce something or what you go want for do next?
Because me, because the two we find for talk. Not to them markets that maybe they do for tot for sell. Maybe they go buy at the cancel. Buy the palm mine in our meet up at the cancel. But one of the can get now left possible.
So if somebody say okay me I want for assist and I want to make it left for the stone oak. Now how much money should we need for make it left for stone oak?
No, if you na for go buy the market upline, the money the total because per mine right now you don't get price.
Yes.
Because you don't say I come on at my home. I don't know the total. The money, the total, where they go help me. For my left the stone oak.
Yes.
If they give me the 4, I will be
Before it is
4 million.
4,000.
Okay. I will be
Then I something like approximately like 180, 170, $180.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, no problem. And I'm glad for meet you and we just come around and look at this community and say thank you for talking.
Yeah. Thank
And
you.
take care of this fine woman, Woman, hey, you know well. Thank you. All right, now take care.
Yeah.
So basically, the community also get, this community also gets a church. I don't call this church because the writing at the church stuff don't disappear. How do you call the church? Okay, now Antidon Church, Mortimer West, Antidon Church. All right. So basically, this community gets like the full package. When you look at them, like they get school, they get mosque, they get church as well, and everything look like say everything they near. The mosque there, the school there, and then the church they over. Okay. All right. So now you go into this street to that paper and that's Sabia. What's that name? Oh. Hello. Yes, hello. How are you do? William? How you do? Yes, how you do? I name Jesse. Yeah. How long you don't need that value? Yes. I want to tell you this thing. It's not where you did for long.
No, I have one.
Now this village you born.
Yes.
So that's what you say. You don't say where they are.
Yes, for that too. But anyway, I don't take more than 2 years now.
Okay, 2 years.
No, yes. What are that?
Okay. So do we then tell them how this place be day before to now? How you see it?
Well, it's fine. No problem.
No problem.
Because I've many small.
Okay. So when you be young, when you be small boy, like that man day, how the place be day like?
Well, the place is so bushy.
Okay.
Because so first time business now is now in everyone.
Okay.
But now look at how the place is now. Outside clean. Also,
Yes.
outside clean.
now you get plenty hosts and now they don't bill and we say come. So you don't tell how many hosts here?
Sunday now it's 10 stuff.
Okay.
70, 80, 90, you see.
Okay. So, but you know, you don't grow up, you get picking them.
I grew up.
How many people you get?
For now?
Yes.
Well, at least now. But I give you roughly. They 8.
8 pickies.
Yes.
You don't try. You don't try. So we tell you thank you.
Yeah.
And also right now, all by the country you now for ask you about the village because I'm only now for long.
Yeah.
You come to the one all be the go up. They still there, Sunday.
Another again.
Sunday, no day again.
Another credit I get.
Okay. Now you want to get all it.
You want to Something like you want to remember that.
Okay.
It's a romance in there, because in there.
Okay. So they keep missing. Okay. Well, thank you, Pa William. All right, yes. We just can't come out today for can look around. So I see you sit down. Now I say, well, make I can greet you because I know say you get beaucoup experience for this place here.
Thank you.
All right, okay, thank you. Yeah? All right.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, by God in power, yes. Now somebody we born here, a born here, a grow here, and the in experience, like from way I they talk to and the way they talk to me, they know for say this place all have been bush and all be get up to like 10 houses, but now the place don't big, the place don't open, and so it's just interesting to have the most touching thing we really say is that the people them we grow up with, all of them don't die, 91 get all left, so it's just so that a very touching story. And by the way, if you're really interested for know about Pa William or probably you want for support in any way, feel free for contact we can come here back. This is a place who sabi and we can always come here back. All right, so we will go again and we'll try for look around this community and see if we can find anything interesting. Come. Oh, fall. Look, one small fall on there and that's it. Yes, so this village really teach me something really special, and I hope say una watch the video, una go experience them. You know, just look how calm this place is. You know, the calmness away from all the busy, the noise, and all what they happen inside big town, and you know the peaceful, the way our people are peaceful. They're so receptive. We come to them, they're willing for listening to you, talk to you, and try for, you know, just come around you. You know, sometimes because of civilization, we don't move away from them things here. Sometimes we even frown at them. But the reality is, as humans, these are the things that actually we most times we can really lack for. Now, the thing that we really need, and this calmness, this peacefulness. Like, look, the kind of breeze where they even blow me away and they look around this community, and everything they go on smoothly. You know, they see people and they fight themselves and not get any of them things that will get office politics and whatnot. It's just amazing. For una who they watch me, where you know Sierra Leonean, and you get your community out there, maybe you get your village. Now feel free for reach out to me if you want for me to cover that community there. We'll go there, we'll cover them, and we will like for tell you community in story, because we really want for make you feel and understand how local communities like this, villages like this, how do they survive and live the simple life, but very meaningful life. And see you on the next video.